Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the latest TikTok craze that's taken over your feed. The viral Apple dance, so why is everyone, including your favorite celebs, obsessed with it? Let's find out. The Apple dance started gaining traction in mid-June 2024. Thanks to TikToker Kelly Hare, she created a fun choreography to Charli XCX'S song Apple. The catchy tune and simple, engaging moves quickly caught on, making it an instant hit on TikTok. But the real boost came when Charli XCX herself jumped on the trend. Her video doing the Apple dance skyrocketed the trend, amassing over 10 million views. Since then, everyone from your next door neighbor to Hollywood A-listers can't get enough of it. So what makes the Apple dance so addictive? The choreography is super accessible. It involves a series of simple yet stylish moves that anyone can pick up quickly. Plus, it fits perfectly within TikTok's short video format, making it ideal for quick, fun content. Another reason for its viral success is the community aspect. People love putting their spin on the dance, sharing their versions, and even collaborating with others. This social interaction is a huge part of what makes TikTok trends so compelling. So there you have it. The Apple dance is the perfect blend of catchy music, easy-to-learn moves, and community fun. It's no wonder everyone, including the stars, is obsessed with it. Have you tried the Apple dance yet? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For more trending updates, see you next time.